or bust, hopefully not bust. We have Jason's Dakota and my Legend. We're gonna head out to LA or San Pedro for the 2025 SoCal RADwood show. First long trip for this car since I took it to Utah a while ago. And let's see how she does. This is our group. We got quite the eclectic mix of vehicles here, heading out from Tonopah, Arizona, off Interstate 10. And coincidentally, Steven and I parked on either side of an OBS Chevy truck that certainly could join us if they wanted to. But we have two Citrus Honda Insights. Got the Dakota, Mitsubishi, Ariata 540, and Al's Acura Legend that you've seen on the channel a couple of times. So far so good. Let's get on the road and do about 6-hour drive. Kai just said he's getting 63 mpg in his Insight. So here's the grouping. We're just missing Eric, who actually there's Al. And Eric caught up with us. He was hauling butt in his DA, so he's part of the crew now. Made it to Torrance, California. The mothership here for a quick second before they close for the week. It is car show day, headed to RADwood shortly, and just getting a few supplies from the grocery or from the convenience store here next to the hotel. And we're gonna head over for an 8:30 a.m. check-in at the Port of Los Angeles. So let's get moving. Ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes, ears, and taste buds on this 1996 Chrysler Concorde. When was the last time you saw a Concorde? This has been in my friend Jordan's family since 1998, and it's going to debut for its first car show today, less than a mile away here at RADwood. And the #1 winner for most amazing Acura merchandise and memorabilia is Tamir with this golf bag. You have never seen this, and you will never see this again. This thing is pretty iconic. We didn't even know it existed, but trust Tamir to find it. Look at all this stuff. We got some writing instruments. We have a rare as heck little keychain there. The introduction for the 87 Legend Coupe VHS, which I'm sure has lots of good nuggets in it. And the car itself, which is, trust me when I tell you, it is stunning inside and out.
Just get a Raspberry Pi, and this is the screen that it works with. So this is something that...
This is Riata memorabilia. So this was paint, body, instrumentation, interior, drivetrain, and approval to ship right there. That's pretty cool. This is our new friend Stu's car, 91. There's a 93 S10 pickup. Probably the cleanest one you'll see in a while. 85,000 miles.
I borrowed a foldable table from my parents so I can lay out all of my literature again behind me. He had a probe. Ethan should be here. Production, high production, have a bar feeder, feed the bar in. Comes in, grabs the part, flips it over. This one cuts it. The white sitting here. This comes down and cuts it. And that's what all the wagon called. Look how wild the exhaust is coming out from the front of the car. I know. Maybe next year I should bring a tablecloth too.
This is my friend Leon's super clean Integra Type R. 36,000 miles. Leon is also a Legend owner. He was attending the 2025 National Acura Legend meet with us in Vermont.
Who thinks of that sentence?
Taking the camera out of the way.
No, you're good.
Yeah, one thing I forgot to.
For the award ceremony at the DJ booth at 3 o'clock. Once again, you got the awards.
We're going to wrap up from here at RADwood at the Port of Los Angeles and San Pedro. It's been a really fun day. My only beef usually with this event is it goes by way too quickly, and now we're going to start the 6-hour drive back to Phoenix.
Come on up, and guess what? He's wearing Acura gear. I'm guessing you have an eBay alert. That's just a hunch. Come on up here, round of success for you.
It's a 1990 Acura Legend. I've been obsessed with them since I was 9 years old, and my dad bought one in '89. And I've got a couple coupes and Legends, and I love collecting the swag. So if any of you guys have any old Acura stuff, hit me up.
What do you? I brought my GNX out. Brought my Typhoon out.
Lexus GS. Here's our fuel stop in Palm Desert, which has become a long-standing tradition, meaning we only have about 4 to 4.5 hours left tonight. It's going to be a nice night on the road.